Welcome, everyone. Today, I want you to pause for a second. Take a deep breath. Let go of everything else for just a moment. Ask yourself, am I spending my time wisely or wasting it? Time is something everyone has, but it never feels enough. It moves quietly, second by second, never stopping, never waiting. You can't see it. You can't touch it. But one day, you'll realize every second you lost could have been a chance to grow. We spend so much time waiting for the perfect moment. But life doesn't wait. Time doesn't wait. It moves on silently, and if we do nothing, we're left behind. Your time is your most precious treasure. It is more valuable than money, more valuable than fame. Once it's gone, you cannot get it back. Every second you spend doubting yourself is a second lost. Every minute you spend worrying about things you cannot change is a minute stolen from your life. Every hour you spend waiting for approval is an hour wasted. Use your time to learn. Learn English, learn a new skill, learn how to cook, draw, or write. Even if it is small, every lesson counts. Reading one page every day can turn into hundreds of books in a year. Practicing a skill for 30 minutes every day can make you an expert in a few months. Use your time to build your dreams. Write that story. That painting. Even if others don't notice, your effort matters. Small steps every day lead to big changes over time. Use your time to love and help others. Smile at a stranger. Help someone who is struggling. Teach someone what you know. Even the smallest act of kindness can create a ripple that touches many lives. There will be hard days. Days when everything feels heavy and nothing seems to work. Days when people leave, doors close, and the world feels silent. But time keeps moving, and so should you. Your time should not be spent holding grudges, fearing failure, or regretting the past. It should be spent on growth. It should be spent on learning English words, improving skills, reading stories, or practicing something new. Even small acts. A smile, a word, a moment of focus can change a life, starting with your own. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity or perfect conditions. Start now. Because time is not measured in years, but in moments. Moments used. Moments wasted. Imagine looking back one day. Will you be proud of how you spent your time? Your future self will thank you for the minutes, hours, and days you used wisely. Remember, time is life. Every heartbeat is a second gone, never returning. So don't waste it on fear, laziness, or negativity. Don't waste it on people who don't lift you up. Your time is your story. Write it with purpose. Use it to grow, to learn English or other skills, to love, to create, to dream. Because when you finally look back, you don't want to say, I wasted my time. You want to say, I made it count. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!